Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently share your location in Google Maps so your friends or family can always see where you are. Not just a one-time share, but a continuous one that stays active until you turn it off. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use. At the top right corner, tap your profile picture, then select Location Sharing from the menu. This is where you can manage who sees your live location and for how long. Next, tap on Share Location. You'll see options to share your location for a few hours or until you turn this off. Choose that second option. This will make your sharing permanent until you decide to stop it manually. Now, select who you want to share your location with. You can choose someone from your Google contacts or tap More options to share through a link using WhatsApp, Messages, or any other app. After that, tap Share. The person will now be able to see your real-time location anytime directly on Google Maps. If you ever want to stop sharing, go back to your profile picture, tap Location Sharing, then select the contact and hit Stop. This way, you have full control over your shared location whenever you want. Permanent location sharing is super helpful for staying connected with family or friends, especially for safety reasons or coordination. Just remember, your location stays visible until you manually turn it off. And that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.